Hey socialites, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Ariell. I do mainly beauty videos, fragrance, and lifestyle. So if those are the type of videos you enjoy, I'd love for you to hit the subscribe button and come join the family. Today's video is my February fragrance tray. Now this is a tray that I try my best to create every month of fragrances that I want to be a little bit more intentional about wearing. Some of them are seasonal. I feel like might go a little better in the colder months. Some of them are it just depends on how I'm feeling for the most part with fragrances though. But sometimes I do like to pull out those warmer, more comfy smelling perfumes for the winter months, but it's like 85 degrees out here in Houston, so that probably won't apply. This month's tray is a little different. I just put a lot of sweet smelling fragrances that I just want to smell this month. These are some of my favorites. They're not like all of my top favorites, but they're some of my favorite feminine perfumes, mostly feminine perfumes that I just really love to smell. February is Valentine's Day month. It's my new fiance's birthday month. I recently got engaged last weekend, so it was like this month we're pulling out the perfumes that I just want to smell like, okay, which are generally sweet, feminine, fruity, soft type of perfumes, even though I do like other type of perfumes too. So let's start off with my favorite. If you guys aren't new here, you already know how I feel about her. This is Delina Exclusif from Perfumes de Marly or Parfums de Marly. This is a beautiful florally amber vanilla powdery perfume that just smells like the most feminine, most expensive luxury chick that you know. She's that girl, just that it girl. You can rest assured, I can rest assured when I wear this that nobody in the whole room is smelling better than me. Now I do like to layer this with Donna Born and Roma and just get everybody's entire life, but this by itself does the trick every time. And actually, when he proposed on last Friday, we were getting ready to go to lunch, but I hadn't picked out a perfume yet. So once I put my ring on, this is what I sprayed before we left out of the house because it was given this. Okay, so she smells really, really good. If you've smelled this before, let me know what you think about it because I really do feel like most people will love this. I adore it. So I feel like most days this month, I'll probably be pulling for this one. And next on my list is Coach Dreams Sunset, obviously from Coach. This is another one of my favorites. This is my second full size bottle of this. I've used one full size and one travel size. Y'all, this smells so stinking good. The first full bottle of this I used up quicker than I ever used up any other full size bottle, but this is a fruity, floral, bright, upbeat, fun fragrance. It's kind of perfumey. It just smells good. It smells yummy. When the wind is blowing, it captures your attention. To me, it's one of those mass appealing scents that's kind of hard not to like. It kind of smells like peaches and just florally and just pretty and just, this is a perfume that I gift a lot. Whenever it goes on sale, I like to get a bottle and somebody that I really care about, I'll gift it to them for like birthdays and stuff like that and usually everybody who I've gifted it to so far has adored it, absolutely loved it. And so that says a lot. This smells so good. I feel like it's highly underrated, but I'll definitely be pulling this out this month. A lot of people feel like, and I feel like too, it's kind of like a spring summer fragrance, but I'm wearing it this month. It's hot outside anyway, so it's kind of giving that. Obviously, can y'all guess what's next? I'll wait. This is Kayali's The Wedding Silk Santal. So I will definitely be wearing this all month long. It just gives love. It gives wedding. They have the notes on the back, which I can appreciate. So there's sparkling champagne, white freesia, pink praline, lush nectarine, sandalwood, and sugared musk in here. To me, this is sort of like a sophisticated vanilla fragrance, like a burnt, sugary, warm, vanillic fragrance that just smells like bridal. It gives bridal. It just gives sophistication. It's just lovely. This is a lovely, beautiful fragrance. So she's definitely on the tray. And I'm thinking about getting the other one for men, the wedding. They have silk Santal and the wedding velvet Santal for men. So I'm thinking about getting that for Mr. to wear for the wedding, but I'm not sure. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about that one, because I hadn't smelled that one yet. These are never in store. So next on the tray, and this is Gucci Flora Gorgeous Magnolia. I love it. This was on my top 5 favorite perfumes of 2023 list. I love it. Heavy on the florals. This is another fruity floral, sort of more floral than fruity, obviously, because it's all these flowers on here. It's so pretty, y'all. It doesn't last long. It gives me like 2 hours of wear time on the skin. It's so stinking pretty. It's something in here that smells slightly boozy, like a slightly boozy undertone, but it's just very much floral. It's sweet, it's gorgeous, it's soft. This is just any occasion, any type of day. It gives warm weather to me, but like I said, it's warm out here. Like, I wore capris and a cut off of denim vest today and some flip flops. Like, that's kind of how the weather is today, but this smells so good. And actually, I went to Marshall's today. I went to Home Goods. It was like a Home Goods / Marshall's, and they had so many of these in Marshall's today. So if you were interested in this, check your local Marshall's, TJ Maxx. You know, I hadn't seen them in Ross, but I saw several of them in Marshall's today. It smells so good. It was one size smaller than this though, but she's getting wear this month because this is just an easy reach for me too. So I'll just smell really good no matter where I go. And then this is one I talked about a lot in January. This is the new Paco Rabanne Million Gold for Her. Million Gold for Women. I think I'll put the name on the screen. This one I don't want to talk about this one too much because I talked about it in so many videos in January. It's a newer release. I think it came out in January. It's a really pretty fragrance, y'all. A little perfumey. It's kind of tropical with a vanillic undertone. It just smells so good. It's soft, it's very feminine. And remember, I told you guys that this is one that I don't know if I'd repurchase because so many other perfumes smell like this. But I mean, not exactly like this, but these type of perfumes. So once I use this up, I'll probably move on to something else. How about I saw today that, and this is a new flanker from last month. How about they're coming out with another flanker of this? Like soon. So I'll probably be getting that one. So I'm glad that I just got the 1 ounce because I'll probably go through this one like between this month and next month, and I'll definitely be reviewing the new flanker of this one. Hopefully it smells just as good as this. This is another lovely one, easy to reach for no matter the occasion. You're going to smell good day or night with this one, to me, in my opinion. And this is another new release. I hadn't done the full review of this one yet because I felt like it had to grow on me. So now I feel confident in reviewing this one, you guys. So I'm going to do a review of this coming up really soon. This is Valaya Exclusif from Parfums de Marly. So look, her little cousin. And this one is more like a freshie. This one is not going to be for everybody. This one is sort of like that aldehydic, fresh, your skin but better, but kind of creamy at the same time. I smell almonds in here and sandalwood, but then it's like the your skin but better type of perfume. This is another easy reach. I do like the original Valaya more than I like this one, but this one still smells very good. Okay, not my favorite, but it smells very good. I'm glad I got this size, but I'm still trying to get to know her. I feel like I know how I feel about her, but you know how fragrances are. You change your mind with them, but she's on the tray because she's an easy reach too, to be honest. And then we're on to the sexiest perfume. This is probably the sexiest fragrance in my collection. And so obviously I had to put this on the list for the month of love, right? This is Fenty Parfum, Fenty Parfum from Fenty. And this is fruity, this is musky, this is ambery, this is dark and moody. It's date night, it's sexy. A man could wear this too. You have to be confident to wear this because this isn't like a sweet, soft, dainty. This is, she's on to something. This is like that woman wearing all black or wearing all chocolate from head to toe. That's just super confident with like some pointy-toed stiletto heels. It's a sexy beast, y'all. Blueberries in here, very floral. There's rose in here, and it's a strong rose too. So this is one of the more unique ones in my collection that I'm still kind of surprised that I like, because I typically go for those type of sweet, feminine, fruity floral. So this is completely different. It's a beast of a perfume. So on my skin, about 2 sprays will fill up a room, and it's very much a compliment getter. I wore this on my birthday last year, so definitely wearing this for any more dates that will be going on this month. And then I have a couple perfumes for bed. So this one is Dama Bianca from Xerjoff. This is like a powdery vanilla, really soft and ethereal. One of the softest perfumes that I have in my collection. I think there's bergamot at the top of it because there's something citrusy, but it's like a warm vanilla scent. It almost smells like there's honey in here too, because it's sweet, but it smells like a sweet honey. There's kumquat in here that's like a unique fruit. So it's like a fruity, powdery take on a vanilla that's just warm and comforting. I only wear this to bed. I've never worn this out before. So I'll be wearing this to bed a few nights this month, or maybe half the month. And then the last fragrance on the list is one that I've been wearing a lot since I got it to bed, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see how much I used. And this is one of the new Glossier You flankers, which is Glossier You Reves. So it sort of gives Glossier You, it definitely gives Glossier You, but there's a buttercream note in here that gives it like this creamy, vanillic, almost cake-like touch to it. Really soft, like not overpowering, but it gives just like that creamy, just, you know, buttercream, like buttercream mixed with Glossier You. A little woodsy. It's still fresh and clean smelling, so it's great for out of the shower, y'all. It smells so good. So good. When I first got it, I thought it was pleasant, but the more I wore it, I liked it more and more. But Mr. was in love with it off the jump. Like, he definitely requests like wear this. So goes without saying that I'll be wearing this to bed literally most of the month between this and Dama Bianca. And then I have a few layering options, like some creams. So I put the Coach Sunset Dreams lotion on the tray because I have Coach Sunset Dreams on the tray, but then I do have some other like fruity florals. Like, I feel like I could also layer this with the Gucci Flora, and I could probably also do it with the Rabanne, and I'll probably play around with it with some of the other fragrances on the tray and see what it gives. I might even try it with Delina Exclusif and see what it gives. So definitely going to be doing this. And then also I put my Burberry Goddess lotion. Now this is softer. This one has more of a presence. Like, you can definitely smell the perfume in here. You can smell it in the Burberry Goddess lotion as well, but it's much softer of a scent. And so I put this one on the tray to layer with anything like vanillic. So my Kayali, the Wedding Silk Santal, and the Rabanne, and the Dama Bianca, and I probably can also do it with Delina Exclusif as well. And then last layering is one that I talked about a lot last month as well, which is my Libre body oil, which is just a really soft, pretty scent, like a sweet floral scent. It's warm, it's a little ambery, and this would be amazing with this. These two together, I already know. Honestly, I feel like I can confidently say, with the exception of maybe Valaya Exclusif and maybe excluding Glossier You, this would smell amazing with everything that I have on the tray this month. That's what this gives. So that's February's fragrance tray. This is an exciting fragrance tray. It's an exciting month. So y'all, comment down below. Let me know what fragrances are you going to be pulling out this month, and what perfume in particular do you feel like you want to wear on Valentine's Day. So also, we're already on the 7th. So let me know if you guys want a Valentine's Day perfume video dedicated. If you guys want to see something like that, I'll try to get something like that up within like the next 2 days, if that would be beneficial for you. So I'll have everything I mentioned in the description box or right there on that YouTube shopping tab. So be sure to check that out. If you're new here, welcome. I'd love for you to come join the family by hitting the subscribe button. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. 'Cause I've been where you are. You're too scared to show me love, 'cause too fresh with the scars.